Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. I said it 3 times because I'm 3 times as excited as I usually am because it's toy time. It's the trumpets. Hoa ki tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Kia ora te whānau, ko Maia tōku ingoa, and these are my best friends, Jojo and Ricky. Kia ora! Today is going to be the best day ever! We're going to do all our favourite things for the whole day.
It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna wear my pajamas and my slippers and snuggle in my blanket and read my favorite book and relax. Oh yeah!
I'm going to make robots and play with them all day long. And I'm going to match all the missing socks and put all the books away on the bookshelf neat and tidy.
Oh, if that's what makes you happy, Maya, then that's what you should do.
Ai, kei a koe te tikanga.
Kea koe te tikanga. What does that mean, Jojo?
That means that we each get to choose what we do with our day.
This is really going to be the best day ever.
E hoa mā, even though we've each got different plans for our best day ever, there's one thing we all love to do. Kani, kani. Yes!
Dance! Hoa ke tātou.
It's the best day ever, gonna have fun. The best day ever, come on everyone. It's the best day ever, gonna have fun. The best day ever, come on everyone.
I wanna go to the teddy bear picnic at the whānau. Follow me, let's sit on our blanket. I wanna go to the teddy bear picnic, meet up with my friends, have tea and biscuits.
It's the best day ever, gonna have fun. The best day ever, come on everyone. It's the best day ever, gonna have fun. The best day ever, come on everyone.
Come along with me to a dance party. Show them our cool moves when we kani kani. Come along with me to a dance party. Let's jump up and down and move our bodies.
It's the best day ever, gonna have fun. The best day ever, come on everyone. It's the best day ever, gonna have fun. The best day ever, come on everyone.
I wanna go on an adventure with robots, talk like they do, go beep, 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 bop. I wanna go on an adventure with robots, walk like they do, go stomp, 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 stomp.
It's the best day ever, gonna have fun. The best day ever, come on everyone. It's the best day ever, gonna have fun. The best day ever, come on everyone. It's the best day ever.
There! I've always wanted robots to play with. This is the best day ever! Let's turn them on so we can have a robot dance party. Whoopsie! Wrong button. Boop. Boop.
Kia ora, I am Robot Buzz. Pleased to meet you.
Oh, pleased to meet you, Robo Buzz.
Kia ora, I'm Robo Ricky. Pleased to meet you.
Oh, pleased to meet you, Robo Ricky. This is gonna be fun. Hikoi, walk.
Ikoi, walk.
It worked.
Ikoi, walk.
Hikoi, walk.
Ikoi, walk.
Oh, whoops. Walk the other way.
Walk the other way.
Oh, hey, Robo Ricky, Robo Buzz.
Ikoi, walk.
And stop.
Faster.
Whoops.
Faster.
Wrong button again. Itu, stop.
Malfunction. That way, that way,
Oh.
that way. Faster, faster, faster.
Chloe, wait for me.
It's so good to be home. I've got all the ingredients we need to make panekeke. Woohoo!
Faster, faster,
Hey, no running inside, please.
Sorry, Auntie Anika. I'm having a little robot malfunction. Gotta go.
Okay.
Phew. And we're done. Now, just have to tidy up the books.
faster, 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 faster.
Party! Phew.
Kia ora, I am Robo Ricky. Nice to meet you. Kia ora, I am Robo Buzz. Nice to meet you.
Oh, kia ora korua. What polite robots you have. Well, on our way to the music room for a robot dance party. Do you want to come too? Oh, I would love to. I just need to put away all these books first. Ah, Robo Ricky and Robo Buzz can help you. Put away the books. Boop.
Put away the books. Put away the books.
How amazing! Put away all the books.
Put away all the book.
Oh, no. Is everything all right, Jojo? I hope so, Maya. We will meet you in the music room. Here, you'll need this. Just don't press the blue button yet. Okay. Could you pretty please put away more books?
Put away more books. Put away more books.
Thank you. A robot that does the housework. This is the best day ever.
This is the best day ever. I'm snuggled up in my blanket in my pajamas and reading my favorite book.
Put away all the books. Put away all the books.
Oh, what? Not that book, Buzz. Sorry, Ricky. There you go.
No problem, Jojo.
To the music room. Bye.
To the music room.
Where was I?
And two. Oh, thank goodness we made it. Hey, Moorhill, could you please play us some cool dancing music?
DJ Moorhill at your service.
Thanks, Moorhill. Okay, Maya, do you see that big button on your remote? This one? I hit it. Boom. Robo-tastic.
Oh, kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm off on a mission to see my whānau. Hoake tātou. Te tiro, my cuzzies. What's that? Check it out, my cuzzies. They're tuna. Wow, there's heaps of tuna. Kia ora. Whee! I wish I was a tuna. Hey, look, there's a manu as well. Whoa, there's a mama manu and some pepe manu. Oh well, I gotta keep going, Come on, cuzzies. Te tiro, my cuzzies. It's a papa tākaro. Let's do it. Check it out, my cuzzies. It's a massive swing. Okay, back it up, back it up, back it up. Let's see how high I can swing. Ta-da! Check it out, cuzzies. It's my favorite. The massive slide. I'm gonna go up it. I've got to go through this tunnel. All right, climbing. Yes, I made it to the top. Now it's time to go down the slide. Hana motohake. That was amazing. Whee! Wow. Oh, this tākaro time has me super hungry. E tino hia kai au. Hey, I've got an idea. Come here, my cuzzies. Come a bit closer, Ti tiro. It's my favorite lunch, fruit salad. I have strawberries, mandarins, pineapples, and grapes. Could the steak get any better?
Nau mai ngā hua o papatū ānuku o Ranginui ki te kai. Whitiki ki ora, haumi e, hui e, taiki e. Reka.
Hey, check this out, cuzzies. Look at all these beautiful rākau. Kia ora, rākau. Kia ora, Buzz. Oh, my phone's ringing. Who is it? It's my dad. Kia ora, Dad. Yep, I'm on my way. Oh, nah, I got distracted because I met a tuna and then I saw some manu and I found this amazing playground and it had a huge ass slide.
What, you brought a donkey? I'm on my way.
Best day ever!
Kia ora, I'm Auntie Anika, and today is the best day ever! I'm going to show you how to make panikeke, pancakes. Yummy! Okay, to make the panikeke batter, you need 5 things. Eggs, milk, sugar, butter, and flour. Right, you put them in a bowl and mix them up till they're a nice smooth batter, ready to cook. Best day ever. Woo! Okay, now for the cooking. Make sure you keep your grown-up close by because frying pans get hot enough to burn your fingers, toes or nose if they get too close. Okay, once the frying pan is hot, you put a little bit of butter in it and let it sizzle. Woo-hoo, that'll stop your pancakes from sticking. Now, pour in the batter and let it cook. Woo-hoo! Best day ever, woo! Oh, it smells divine. Now, after a minute, your pancake will be cooked on one side and it's time for the fun part. What is it? Flipping! Okay. Okay. The tongue helps with balance and coordination. Okay. Stand back. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! A perfect pancake. Now I only need me, Maya, Jojo, Ricky, Buzz, Wolfie, or 7 more. Woohoo! Best day ever. Best day ever.
Woo-hoo! Giddy up, Lightning! We're going to the beach! Woohoo!
Hi, Oma. What are you doing?
Hi, Wolfie. I'm playing with horses.
Oh.
Do you want to play too?
Oh, yes, please. I always wanted to play horses with you.
Oh, well, here you go. You can be Lightning.
Lightning. Oh, I always wanted to be Lightning. But are you sure Lightning is your best horse?
And you're my best friend. You can be Lightning this time, and I will be Thunder.
Oh, Thunder! Thunder is really fast. Oh, what should we do with the horses?
Let's gallop them down to the beach. Woohoo!
Good idea, Oma. This is the best day ever. Thank you.
Yeah! Woohoo!
And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Ah, what a great puka puka. This is the best day ever. What should I do next?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ouch!
Oh, ouch who?
Ouch, it hurts to knock on a tree.
Kia ora, Buzz. Oh, this day just keeps getting better and better.
Hey, Ricky, you're still in your pajamas. Did I get the time wrong again?
No, I decided to stay in my pajamas all day because they're so comfy. It was the best day ever.
Ooh, comfy. But you'll need to get dressed for Takaro time because we're having some special guests. Meet you in the garden. Hey.
I'll be right there, Buzz. Now, where did I put this?
It's Takaro time, and today we're having a teddy bear's picnic afternoon tea.
How splendid.
You simply must put on one of these crowns, I insist, old friend.
Oh, thank you, Buzz. Splendid indeed. I dare say this is one of the fanciest afternoon teas I've ever been to.
Oh, would you like some tea? It is afternoon tea after all.
Oh, it is afternoon tea and... Oh, is that oolong tea I smell? Oh, yes, most definitely. Thank you.
Oh, one mustn't forget the milk.
Oh, no, one mustn't indeed.
Mm-hmm. Go.
Oh, marvelous.
Splendid.
Buzz, why do you have your little finger poking up?
Because it's fancy.
Oh, yes, I do feel rather fancy. Ooh, golly gosh, that's delicious. I've never had oolong with milk before.
Oh, yes, yes, truly scrumptious.
All finished.
Would you like another?
Oh, no, I couldn't possibly, but thank you, old friend. It's been splendid.
Oh, splendid. Jolly good, old chap.
Oh, jolly good.
Cheerio.
Oh, toodle peep.
Man, I'm hungry. Oh, yummy, it's a hangi day today. Woohoo!
I'm so excited. I woke up early, 'cause it's a hangi day. My kuia told me, come to the marae, 'cause it's a hangi day. Gotta cut the cabbage, peel the kumara, and peel the potatoes and the pumpkin. Then get the chicken, don't forget the stuffing, 'cause it's a hangi day. Well, I'm so excited. I woke up early, 'cause it's a hangi day. My kuia told me, come to the marae, 'cause it's a hangi day. Woo! Gotta dig the hole, get the fire going. We'll put the kai in, wait with a cup of tea.
Well, it's cooked. Now get stuck into the kai. 'Cause it's a hungry day. Reka te kai. Oh, can I have some more, please?
Hi everyone, this is my older brother. We've got a brand new playground. There are things to climb on, things to slide down on, and there's an awesome sand pit and a trampoline that you can bounce really high on. I love the trampoline, it's so fun. I can do spins, flips, and all kinds of stuff. There are these cool vibes. And also one of the best things here yet is the roundabout. Wheelchairs and other kids can play on it. The flags make it look so fun too. It's like there's a festival going on. There's also some musical instruments you can play. The instruments make some cool sounds. This playground is great. Bye! See you next time!
Oh, kia ora, Aroha. I'm so glad you could come over and play.
Kia ora. Thanks for having me, and welcome to Letter of the Day. Today's letter is T.
Oh, T for Bamboo. Table.
Aye. You've got 10 seconds to find something beginning with the letter T. Got it? Got it. Would you give us a countdown, please, Mohio?
Ai. Ready in toru. Rua. Tahi. Tīmata. Te kau. Iwa. Waru. Pitsu. Ono. Rima. Pā. Toru. Rua. Tahi.
Okay, let's see what we've got. A toy tomato, Ricky's tap shoes, and a tulip.
A tiger. A truck. And Tama. Our friend Tama moved away and we miss him heaps. Hopefully you'll get to meet him one day, Aroha.
I hope so. Any friend of yours is a friend of mine, Jojo. You're the best neighbour ever. And that concludes our letter of the day. Ngā mihi.
We love Kapahaka. We stand like this in our cool pew pew. We learn our whakapapa too. Kiraro, kia wiri, kia mau. Like this. Ano. Kiraro, kia wiri, kia mau. Like this. We love Kapahaka. We sing out loud. We like to make a kuia and koroa feel proud. Say out loud, he, he. Stand tall and proud, ha, ha. Say out loud, he, he. Stand tall and proud, ha, ha. Kapahaka is a really fun thing to do. With your whānau and friends at the marae or in your school. Kapahaka is a really fun thing to do. With your whānau and friends at the marae or in your school. We love Kapahaka, we can make a beat with our poi or our wai taka here to the beat. Wai taka here. Stomp your feet.
Wai wai takahia. To the beat.
Hi! We're going down to play in the mud. We're taking all our trucks. Mud looks good today. Let's get messy! The mud feels super goopy. I'm filling up the truck full of goop. Thank you, Spongy Mud! Let's make some more mud! Wheel. It's so goopy. I'm like a monster. We gotta clean our trucks. Let's wash our trucks. It's still muddy. It's so muddy. We'll give them a good wash and a clean mesa. We love playing in the mud. Bye.
Nei hao, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is the story of a family trip to Hong Kong. It was an exciting morning in the buzzing city of Hong Kong. The family had travelled on a plane all the way from Aotearoa for a holiday. Sisters Jean and Joy were eager to see all the sights, so Mum took them to her favourite neighbourhood. There was a colourful street market where locals sold everything from stripy pyjamas to toys that could fly. Looking for something special to bring back home, Jean found a funny alarm clock with a singing mouse. This will help wake me up for school, laughed Jean, delighted with her new clock. The next lane was full of flowers in every shade, pink, purple, yellow and blue. All the colours of the rainbow filled the lane. Mum loved the colour red, so the girls looked all over for the freshest, brightest red flowers until they found her a bunch of ruby roses. By then, the girls were hungry. Mum took them to a busy street with eye-catching electric signs. There were lots of people hurrying past, so Jean and Joy held on tightly to Mum's hand as she took them to her favourite cafe. At the cafe, they ate yummy wonton soup noodles, and Joy got her favourite drink, a refreshing red bean milk. Hong Kong is so much fun, said Joy, slurping her drink. What a great holiday. The girls had a wonderful time in Hong Kong, getting to see new things, eat delicious food, and share some special time with their mum. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha. No hora, ka kite anō.